For the past 2 weeks, my timeline has been full of people switching from OpenClaw to Hermes Agent, and for me personally, I have fewer gateway problems. The OpenClaw gateway stalls and sometimes entirely ghosts. Today, I'm migrating off of OpenClaw that I installed when it first came out and over to Hermes Agent, which has a feature in its installer for migrating. Let's check it out and see how it works. The first thing I had to do was, of course, install Hermes Agent using the command on their website. So I copied it and I just pasted it into the terminal. Once the installer ran, I selected Quick Setup. I skipped over all of this and I went right to Telegram Setup, which was actually a mistake, and you'll figure out why in a little bit. I'll show you. I reloaded the source, and now I went to set up the model that I would use, which was also a mistake on my part. You'll see why in a sec. Next thing I did was the dry run migration, not the actual migration, but just to do a dry run and see what would happen. Hermes could not find the sole MD file. That's because of a directory conflict, because I installed such an older version of OpenClaw that there's all these symlinks that happened after getting it to the new version, so it's a little bit broken apart. What I ended up having to do was make a copy of the OpenClaw files from the old directory and put them in the new working directory that Hermes would look in. From there, I ran the migration with overwrite. I also archived the old OpenClaw location as recommended by the program to avoid a conflict. It ends up I did not need to configure OpenRouter because Hermes Agent tries to find the OpenRouter credentials on its own, which it did, but OpenClaw uses a weird format where it prefaces the model slug with the word OpenRouter. Hermes does not, so I had to remove that from the YAML in Hermes Agent. I disabled the gateway for OpenClaw just to be on the safe side. So it looks like I actually did not need to make a new Telegram because the Hermes installer actually found the Telegram account from OpenClaw. Also, I messaged it and asked it, who are you? It said it's ClawdBot. I said, you probably need to check your config and update that because you're Hermes now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found some value in that video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see me make more tutorials and also some weird experiments that I do with AI, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care.